Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 8. We will explain the material about kind of games in table. The first material will be delivered by Reni Athaningrum, and the second material will be delivered by Imamatul Hakiki, and the last material will be delivered by Sri Lestari.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reni Athaningrum. I will explain material about the benefits of gaming for learning. Number 1, the games add to the variety of learning situation. Number 2, games help motivate students. Number 3, game makes formal lesson more relaxing. Number 4, students are encouraged to participate. Number 5, game improve communicative between students. That benefit can be applied to teach skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Any game we use must be language relevant, easy to explain, easy to set up, and fun to play. Next slide, kind of games in TELF. Number 1, charades. Write down activities on different cards such as ride a bike, jump on a trampoline, swim in the ocean, take the bus, etc. Split the group into 2 teams. Each team adds their action on a card while the other team uses. Next slide. Number 2, category race. Write 6 different categories on the sheet of paper. They can be anything from verb, adjective, noun, etc. to animal, shape, color, mount, etc. Have students take the pieces of paper to different places around the classroom using the sticky tag. Then have students concrete in the middle of the classroom. On the count of 3, yell out a word belonging to one of the categories. And whoever reaches the correct categories paper first win a point. Next slide. Number 3, write it first. Material needs whiteboard, 2 whiteboard markers. Divided the whiteboard in half and split the group into 2 teams. Give each team clue to a word that you're thinking of. For example, I'm thinking of an animal with 8 legs that live in the ocean. The team has to write OCTOPUS vertically on the board. Then it's race to see who can fill in each of the letter with a word in the English. Word cannot be repeated. O, 1, C, cat, T, tall, O, open, P, plan, C, sun. Thank you. Next material will be delivered by Imamatul Hakiki.
Okay, the next material about kind of games in table. Next slide, listen and match. Materials needed are whiteboard and 2 whiteboard markers. Make a number of cards with different countries and lay them out on the table. Make sure the lettering is big enough that everyone can see them if standing over the table. Prepare a set of clues matching to each country. However, points to the correct country first win a point. Variation 1, breakfast around the world, and variation 2, festival around the world, and variation 3, important people from around the world. Next slide, Pictionary. Materials needed are set of flashcards and set of clues. Split the group into two teams. Give one member a sentence or phrase to draw. The other team members have 10 seconds to guess what it is. Then it bounces to the other team. One way to encourage discussion is to have the teams come up with the sentence or phrase for the member of the other team to draw. The other team cannot guess when the 10 seconds are up, but they can help draw the sentence or phrase. The possibilities for this one are endless and they are a great way to start a discussion. Next slide, flashcard race. Materials needed are two sets of flashcards, one with pictures and one with the words matching up to the pictures. This is a good game for memorizing new vocabulary. Review all the new words before placing all of the cards face down on the table. Each student takes a turn by turning over two of the cards. If they match, it is a point for the student, but if they don't, the student has to turn the cards back over. The next material will be delivered by Sri Lestari.
This material from Cans of Game is about to easy. Firstly, prepare a set of cards with different famous people, singer, actor, scientist, musician, or popular TV shows and movies, action figures, superheroes, game show hosts. Each student takes a turn and flip a card into his other forehead. The other student have to help him or her guess what card he or she has. Next is about Taboo game. As a variation of the popular Taboo game, prepare a set of cards with any all kinds of words, ranging from verb to animals, color, place in the word, and etc. The more varied, the better. Each student has 4 until 5 cards and has the explanation what card he or she has. Whoever can guess what is written on the card get a point. This material is about top-tip game. Science, they are in the classroom for the majority of the day. Your time with them is same of the only time they get to be outside and active while learning. Try to incorporate as much action and movement into your activities as possible. Run to the board and write the correct word. Take the next person, shoot from the goal if you get the sentence correct.
Okay, thank you for your attention and I'm sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.